Hello, wonderful people, and welcome to today's wonderful edition in which we'll be looking at a question coming from a 2023 G.C.E past paper on geometric progressions under sequences and series. So we have in a geometric progression, the second term is 21 and the fourth term is 189. So we're going to find the first term and the common ratio. So now to find the first term and the common ratio in this kind of equation, what you do is you bring in the formula for the nth term of the GP. So the first question will be, write Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. So write this formula twice because we want to create two equations which should be solved simultaneously. So we write the same formula twice again is equal to AR a minus 1. So now we are saying the second term is 21, meaning here we're going to have 21 is equal to AR to the power 2 minus 1. 2 will mean second term. Here we have the fourth term is 189. So we have 189 is equal to AR to the power 4 minus 1. 4 represents the fourth term. So we're going to have 21 is equal to AR. Here we'll have 189 is equal to AR to the power 3. So we have AR, and we must solve those two simultaneously. Therefore, this is our equation 1, and this is our second equation. So now you make a variable, any variable, A or R, the subject of the formula. So now, to solve this, by the way, we have to use substitution method. So now I'm going to make A the subject of the formula from the first equation, meaning I'll divide both by R. The R and the R will divide, therefore A will become 21 over R. So in the second equation, where there is A, we write 21 over R. So we're going to have 189 is equal to, here we have 21 over R multiplied by R power 3. So 1 R and 1 R will divide, meaning we remain with the 2 R's or R squared. So we have 189 is equal to 21 R squared. So to find R, we are going to divide both sides by 21, even here by 21. 21 and 21 will divide, remain with R squared is equal to, dividing 21 into 189, we have 9. So now, because that R is raised to power 2, for us to find R, we should introduce the square root on both sides. So, therefore, R is equal to 3. Remember, the value of square root 9 is positive or negative 3. But in this case, we will simply consider the positive 3 because our sequence is ascending. The second term is 21, fourth term is 189. So numbers are going up, meaning our common ratio cannot be a negative in this manner. So we have found the R or the common ratio to be 3. So shall we also find the first term, which is A? So we'll use the same equation where we made A the subject of the formula. So A is equal to 21 over R is 3. Therefore, A is equal to 7. So, the first term is 7 and the common ratio is 3. So, we are done with the first question. We go to question B. Question B says, find the 60th term. So, 60th term will be found by the same nth term formula of a GP, which is Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. So, we have T6 now, which is equal to A will be 7 multiplied by R, which is 3 to the power 6 minus 1, which will be 5. So T6 is equal to, so here we have 3 to the power 5 is giving us 243. So 7 is multiplying 243, which will give us, therefore, T6 or the 60th term is equal to 1,701. So this is our 60th term that we are looking for. So we are done with question B. Then shall we go to question C, where where we are required to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the progression. Now, to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the progression, we look at our common ratio. The common ratio in this case is bigger than 1. So if the common ratio is bigger than 1, in our formula for the sum, we use that one which starts with arrows. The arrows are on the left and the 1 is on the right. So we're going to have the sum of the 5 terms, or the sum of the n terms, first of all, is equal to n, open brackets, r power n minus 1, we close, r minus 1. So the sum of the 5 terms is equal to, the first term is 7, open the bracket, r is 3 to the power n. N will be, we are finding the sum of the first 5 terms, meaning n will become 5. So this is 5 minus 1, we close the bracket. The common ratio is 3 minus 1. So the sum of the 5 terms is equal to 7, open the bracket. Here, 3 power 5 will be 243. So 243 minus 1 will be 242. We close the bracket. Divided by 3 minus 1, of course, is 2. So the sum of the first 5 terms is equal to, there we have 242 multiplied by 7, we are getting 1694 divided by 2. Therefore, the sum of the first 5 terms is equal to 1694 divided by 2 gives us 847. This is the sum of the first 5 terms of our GP. So we have come to the end of our questions. Remember, if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and hit the bell for new notifications of the videos of such kind. See you next time.